Hello, this is JJ Donnie, live from Chadwick. Some weird stuff has been going on lately. There's been aliens attacking the school.
Hello guys, we have some breaking news at the school of Chadwick. As we have here is a kid named Henry who has been experiencing aliens. So Henry, tell us about your experience.
Well, I didn't die.
Okay. Don't mind him. So Henry, what's been happening?
So, I was playing at recess with my friends when this crazy spaceship flew up above the campus. And then I got separated from my friends in the confusion and they started shooting at us.
Wow, that is really crazy, and especially heart-wrecking when as a kid. Well, that's our news for today. Thank you.
So, right now we're about to interview actual survivor. So, Ryan, tell us about your experience with the aliens.
Well, we were just playing at recess, and then all of a sudden a ship came into orbit, and it fired photon torpedoes down at us. And well, one of us wasn't so lucky, and I'd like to show a piece of footage.